Sembawang Stadium for the match. And now we're gonna pass on the time now to Tyrone for the pitch report.
So hi guys, I'm gonna do the pitch report today. As you can see, it has just rained and there is a lot of water. So it's a lot of water in the outfield. As you can see, there are some cracks here. You see here there are cracks here. And now, so the outfield will be quite slow if for the person who's batting first. So I think the person who wins the toss will choose to bowl first. As later at the end of the day, maybe you'll dry up. So, you know, I think choosing to bowl first will be a better option. As you can see here, there are even puddles over here. But we will have to let the game carry on anyways. I'm really sorry for that. So now I'm going to do the pitch report. So as you can see here, there's only part of the ground that is dried up. And the distance is really actually quite far, to be honest. If the ball actually bounces somewhere over here, which is the full length, Yorker length delivery, there will be a lot of bounce. So obviously the batsman can easily go for sixes. So the bowler should try to aim at this wet spot here, so it doesn't bounce and can aim at the stumps. And for spinners, they should try to land the ball somewhere around here, the dry spot, so it bounces up. And then if the guy goes forward, the wicketkeeper will have enough time to stump the guy out. So thank you for the pitch report, and now I'll pass the time over to the training session.